I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Second Nature Workshop.
This came from the Second Nature Workshop and...
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? AJ Good here at the House of Masks, where we unbox and review cool shit almost every single day, and in today's video we are doing a Slipknot mask unboxing.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Wow, yeah, oh my god. Holy shit. Damn. Right.
Where we unboxed this fabulous We Are Not Your Kind Corey mask from the Second Nature Workshop. Now in this package I have two masks, but yeah, here it is, and I'm actually super stoked about it, and I got this directly from the Second Nature Workshop, which I'm sure that a lot of people are familiar with if you're heavy on Instagram. They have a decent following over there on Instagram, and they post some absolutely flawless work. They cover a lot of different bases, literally everything from Slipknot to custom stuff to Hollywood Undead, but they have definitely been killing the Slipknot game since We Are Not Your Kind dropped. They've got these, they've got clowns, they've got a bunch of other stuff, and these Coreys are definitely my favorite in the business. I think that they are hands down the most accurate, and I'm super stoked to finally have them. So shout out to the Second Nature Workshop. Definitely very much appreciated. This thing is absolutely awesome, and I cannot wait to get it displayed. And as always, I am going to be dropping their information down below so that you guys can go check them out for yourselves, and maybe even order a super cool new mask. Now as for this video, I think that I pretty much said everything that I can say about this mask. As I mentioned, this is a weird variant that wasn't really used that often, so aside from showing that behind the scenes pic and the Birth of the Cruel music video, there's really not too much to say about it. So I think that is going to just about do it. And as always, I am going to leave you guys with some nice up-close shots of this mask. And show you the mask itself up close there. As you can see, totally translucent. And there are really just no air bubbles in this. I'm like holding it up against the light looking for some sort of imperfection, and there isn't one. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this going. I don't want to spend too much time talking about the mask because I've done reviews on these masks before, not specifically from the Second Nature Workshop, but just the Corey masks in general. I don't really have a lot of things to say about the We Are Not Your Kind mask that I haven't said in the other videos. I do want to go ahead and get this foam head painted up and get started on that because I think that's really when this mask is going to shine. So, grade A fucking mask. I'm absolutely over the moon about both of these pieces. I'm stoked to have them, and I can't wait to get both foam heads painted up. So I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Second Nature Workshop. You guys fucking rule. I know that the shipping stuff was out of your hand, and I'm definitely looking forward to ordering from you again. Now, as for any of my viewers, if you guys are interested in picking something like this up or a number of other masks that they offer, everything from Slipknot to Hollywood Undead